Let us quickly calculate the net profit using the same logic, but first let us talk about our chart of accounts. So you can see if I work on the report level and I say that please give me some of the values where report equals profit and loss, the answer will be net profit. But one thing I should make sure, I will be writing the profit and loss as it is mentioned here. So L for the loss is going to be capital, and I would be writing AND as AND. I will not use the sign of AND. Okay, let us go back to Tableau and let us write this function. So here in Tableau, first of all, I will go to analysis and I will say create calculated field. I'm going to name this as net profit. And let us start typing the same function, that is going to be sum. And then I have to write the if statement, and the if statement will write that please sum if report equals profit and loss, then sum the amount, else the answer should be 0, and then end the statement and close the bracket. And now you can see that how easily we have written this function. And after that I will simply click OK, and the net profit will be added straight away. And then finally I will drag the net profit from here to this measure values pane, and you can see that we have the net profit value now. And if you like to compare, you can go back to your dashboard and you can see here in the net profit, or you can see here as well, if I can just show you. So we should have 623,856, that is the same. 1303147, we have the same value again, and 1289945. So that is net profit, and that was quite easy. Finally, before I end, I will just like to rearrange these values. So I will drag down the gross profit from here to this part, and now we have data properly organized as sales and then gross profit and then net profit. I hope that was easy for you.